our distinguished guest speaker, Ma'am Lalani Dumalaon, our school administrator, Dr. Nancita Dan, our school principal, beloved teachers, parents, friends, guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. We are all here today to witness the last time that batch 2013 is gathered as a class. A gathering that is to summarize what we have done so far for the first stanzas of our lives. I was raised in a family where music plays a great part in our lives. Every family member loves music, from the youngest, my 2-year-old sister, who loves to dance and sing Nicki Minaj's Super Bass, and even the theme songs of today's primetime shows like Jovet Balibino's Pusong Bato. To my grandfather, who sings the songs of the Lettermen and the Bee Gees, to name a few. I'm sure that the young ones, spelled O-N-C-E here, can relate to this. I mentioned music because I can compare music to the journey that we, the graduates, made. Our journey was a tough one. Sometimes the notes were too high for us to reach. The times when, perhaps, we failed to reach the passing scores in our exams. Sometimes we reached the notes, but we were off key. These were the times when, yes, we passed, but we barely made it. Sometimes, the guitar strings broke. These were the times when an assignment or project was left undone. Sometimes we danced the Harlem Shake. The times when we disagreed with each other because we each had our own idea. But of course, there were a lot of times when Gangnam Style was our tune. There were times when it was as if we were like Atlas, the primordial titan who held up the celestial globe on his shoulders in Greek mythology. The times when we were faced with a lot of problems and apprehensions. These are best described by Daniel Pauter's Bad Day. When we made a mistake or did something wrong and our parents or teachers found out, what do you think were the songs of our lives? Of course, one of them, Poker Face by Lady Gaga. At times, when we seemed to lose all hope, we were comforted by the songs of Mariah Carey, I Can Make It Through the Rain, and Gary Valenciano's Lead Me Lord. Despite all these, the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra played. There was beautiful music, and we danced and sang One Republic's Good Life. These were the happy moments that we once shared, retreats, events, and parties. Of course, today would not have been made possible had it not been for all the people who made us what we are now. To the Little Village administrators and staff, our deepest gratitude for taking care of us all, for keeping the school conducive for learning, and for ensuring our safety. The song, That's What Friends Are For, by Dionne Warwick, is for all of you. To our teachers, thank you very much for religiously being with us 5 days a week, imparting to us what you yourselves have learned, and for being patient with us when we were in trouble. Even though you had your own problems to face. You are the wind beneath our wings, that Midler acknowledged. To our parents, words are not enough to describe our gratitude and appreciation for our support, care, and love. We hope that your dedication and support will continue throughout. As what Andy McIntyre once said, if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. We dedicate the song Hero by Mariah Carey to all of you because you are our heroes. To my fellow graduates, batch 2013, our elementary years have ended, but this is also the start of a new stanza for us. Let me share to you a proverb that goes, you cannot get to the top by sitting on your bottom. Leigh Brown said, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars. Milton Berle said, if opportunity doesn't knock, try to build a door. The music has stopped, but not permanently, because the music never ends. As what James and Gus said in the song, how do you keep the music playing? Oh, special thanks also to Evanescence, Celine Dion, Blue Stally, and Zell Weller, whose songs kept me company until the wee hours of the morning when I had to finish my project or an assignment. Before I end, let me leave you with a song by Barry Manilow. Maestro!